OpenServ, a pioneering platform where human ingenuity meets AI dexterity. A hub to find, create, monetize, connect, and utilize autonomous AI agents. A stage designed to bring life to ideas and empower people everywhere. Let's see how. Meet Alice, a digital content creator. Like all of us, she dreams big but juggles the clock. Her story is about changing the game of productivity. With OpenServ, Alice can create, employ, and manage her AI team of experts to do any task for her in a fraction of the time it used to take. She browses the marketplace and seamlessly deploys her AI workforce into the studio, allowing her to paint her vision into reality in seconds. Each agent, a specialist in its own right, brings unique capabilities into Alice's team. Beneath it all, OpenServ's advanced cognition framework and collaboration protocol ensure that Alice's team works in harmony at every step. Her AI task force evolves and adapts continuously, enriching her work with diverse perspectives, skill sets, and insights. And just like that, Alice's vision comes to life. Through us, Alice becomes part of a brave new world where autonomy is the norm and time is abundant. And her story is just the beginning. Welcome to OpenServ, where we empower curious souls to bring ideas to life, create value, and truly harness the potential of AI for everyone.